Number 1. Throw in a load of laundry. Laundry tends to pile up, creating a perpetual cycle of chores. Tackling it in 10-minute sprints can be a game changer. Start by throwing in a load, ensuring a step-by-step approach. First, sort clothes efficiently, separating colors and fabrics. Then, swiftly load the machine, adding detergent. While it runs, use the remaining time to tidy a room or answer emails. This ensures multitasking without feeling overwhelmed. Number 2. Throw out unmatched socks. The notorious sock pile can be a source of frustration. Utilize your 10-minute sprint to conquer this common clutter culprit. Grab a basket and sift through unmatched socks, diligently matching pairs. The key is decisiveness. If a sock is perpetually without its mate, bid it farewell. Imagine reaching into your drawer and finding perfectly matched socks effortlessly. Number 3. Do a quick tidy or pickup of one room or area. In the hustle of daily life, maintaining a tidy home can feel daunting. However, dedicating just 10 minutes to a specific room or area transforms the overwhelming into the achievable. Start by swiftly picking up misplaced items, returning them to their designated spots. Focus on surfaces, minimizing visual clutter. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. Number 4. Dust and wipe down blinds. Blinds often go unnoticed until a layer of dust accumulates. Use your 10-minute sprint to tackle this often neglected task. Grab a microfiber cloth and a gentle cleaning solution. Start from the top and work your way down, wiping away dust and grime. Breathing in clean air becomes more enjoyable when your surroundings are free from accumulated dust. Number 5. Delete 100 emails. Email inboxes can quickly spiral into chaos. Take control in just 10 minutes by decluttering your digital space. Set a timer and dive into your inbox with determination. Delete or archive unnecessary emails, unsubscribe from unwanted newsletters, and organize the rest into folders. The satisfaction of seeing a cleaner inbox is instant, relieving the mental burden of digital clutter. Number 6. Strip and remake your bed. Transform your bedroom into a serene sanctuary by making your bed a daily priority. In your 10-minute sprint, swiftly strip off the sheets and remake the bed with fresh linens. This simple act goes beyond aesthetics. It creates a comforting and inviting space. Number 7. Clean the tub or shower. Showers and tubs can accumulate grime over time, affecting both hygiene and visual appeal. Dedicate 10 minutes to cleaning this often neglected area. Arm yourself with a reliable cleaning solution and a scrub brush, tackling soap scum, water stains, and any accumulated dirt. Number 8. Clean makeup brushes. The cleanliness of your makeup brushes directly impacts your skin's health. In just 10 minutes, refresh your brushes by giving them a thorough cleaning. Use a gentle soap or brush cleaner, lather the bristles, and rinse them under running water. Regular cleaning contributes to smoother makeup application and promotes a healthier complexion. Number 9. Put away laundry. Completing the load of laundry is just the beginning. Putting it away is the crucial next step. In your 10-minute sprint, focus on efficiently folding and placing clothes in their designated spots. Avoid the common pitfall of letting clean laundry linger in baskets. Number 10. Vacuum one area or room of your house. Transform your home into a haven of cleanliness by dedicating 10 minutes to vacuuming. Focus on one specific area or room, depending on your house's size. The impact of freshly vacuumed carpets or floors extends beyond aesthetics. It enhances indoor air quality and promotes a healthier living environment. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Number 11. Quick toy declutter or purge of broken toys. Children's toys have a way of multiplying and cluttering your living spaces. Take control in just 10 minutes by decluttering or purging broken toys. Swiftly go through the toy collection, setting aside broken items for disposal and organizing the rest. Embrace the simplicity of this 10-minute task, making it a regular part of your homemaking routine. Number 12. Wipe down baseboards. Baseboards often go unnoticed, accumulating dust and dirt over time. Utilize your 10-minute sprint to wipe down these overlooked areas. Wrap a microfiber cloth around a broom for easy reach, swiftly tackling baseboards throughout your living spaces. Regularly wiping down baseboards prevents the buildup of dust and allergens, ensuring that your living spaces feel fresh and well-maintained. Number 13. Gather up 5 things to donate from your closet. Closets can easily become overstuffed with items that no longer serve a purpose. Take 10 minutes to declutter and make a positive impact by gathering up 5 things to donate from your closet. Swiftly go through your clothing and accessories, identifying items that you no longer wear or need. Number 14. Remove old food from the fridge. Maintaining a clean and organized fridge is essential for both hygiene and efficient meal preparation. Use your 10-minute sprint to remove old and expired food items. Swiftly go through each shelf, discarding anything past its prime. This habit not only prevents the unpleasant surprise of finding forgotten leftovers, but also ensures that your fridge remains a functional and inviting space. Number 15. Freshen up sink and drains. Your kitchen sink and drains can accumulate residue over time, leading to unpleasant odors. Take 10 minutes to freshen up these essential areas. Create a mixture of 2 parts baking soda to 1 part hydrogen peroxide, applying it to the sink and drains. Let it sit for 10 minutes before running hot water to flush out any buildup. Number 16. Sweep the bathroom and mop if time allows. Bathrooms are high-traffic areas that require consistent maintenance. Dedicate 10 minutes to sweeping the bathroom floor, swiftly removing dust and debris. If time allows, follow up with a quick mop for a thorough clean. Regular sweeping prevents the buildup of dirt and hair, making your cleaning routine more manageable. Number 17. Take a quick 10-minute pass through your skincare or makeup. Maintaining an organized and up-to-date skincare and makeup collection is crucial for effective daily routines. Use your 10-minute sprint to take a quick pass through your products. Discard expired items, declutter unnecessary items, and organize your collection for easy access. Before I reveal the top 3 habits to cut clutter, let's share some knowledge. Drop your best minimalist tips in the comments below, which might help others learn and grow. Number 18. Vacuum your curtains. Curtains can harbor dust and allergens, impacting both visual appeal and indoor air quality. Use your 10-minute sprint to vacuum your curtains, paying attention to the tops and folds. Regular vacuuming prevents the buildup of dust and allergens, ensuring that your home feels clean and comfortable. Embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of this 10-minute task, making it a regular part of your homemaking routine. Number 19. Quick pass through kids' clothes for donation or selling. Children's clothing can quickly accumulate, leading to clutter and disorganization. Take control in just 10 minutes by doing a quick pass through your kids' clothes. Identify items that no longer fit or are no longer needed, setting them aside for donation or selling. Number 20. Take a 10-minute sprint to water your plants. Plants add life and freshness to your home but require consistent care. Dedicate 10 minutes to watering and fertilizing your plants, both indoor and outdoor. Regular care prevents wilting and promotes growth, ensuring that your home remains a green and vibrant haven. There you have it, 10-minute daily homemaking habits to cut clutter and simplify your home. Do you want to know the best and smartest minimalism tips and tricks? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.